Hello, my ICTA students. This time we are going to learn how to copy a picture from the internet and put it into your Word document. So first of all, make sure you've got no spacing on, and make sure your paragraph symbol, your show and hide, is on. Alright, now this time we are going to go to Insert. Oh, pardon me, I don't want to go to Insert right now. I want to go to your Chrome icon or your internet icon and go to a new tab, and Google will come up. Alright, so it should, but here you might have Google Images here. I'm not sure what you'll have, but you'll have an icon somewhere that says Images. Alright, we want to search for, I'm going to go with dogs again. Oh, not the dogs, D-O-G-S. Alright, and now you get lots of pictures of dogs, and it doesn't matter which one you want to take. Now whichever one you're going to take, you're going to left click once on it. So I'm going to take this little Pomeranian and I'm going to left click once. So now you see the full view of the picture. Alright, I want you to right click and come down to copy image. Make sure you're not the image address, copy image. Alright, so you copy the image, and now you're going to go back to Word, and you are going to go to the Home tab and go to Paste, and you've got two choices here, and when it's doing a picture it doesn't really matter which one you choose, and in your instructions I told you to choose this one, Merge Formatting. So there's your picture. Now, once the picture's there, it's the same as you learned before. You want to say square. You want to grab a corner handle and size it down. Get your four-headed arrow and move it. And you want to go to Format here under Picture Tools, and you want to put a frame on it, whatever one you want. Alright, let's try it again. Go down to Chrome. Go to your icons, and let's go back once, and let's search. Oh, let's take another picture here. We're okay. Where's there another picture that we like? Doesn't matter. Okay, click once, left click once. Alright, now right click and say copy image. Alright, go to Word, and now this time you can right click, okay, just so that you can try both ways. Right click, and guess what? Paste options. You have the same thing, and we're going to take this one, merge the formatting. Alright, now this is a large picture, so first of all make it square so that you can move it, okay? Then grab a corner handle and size it down, okay? And I'm going to move mine over here so that you can see mine's way down on the page because it was large. So I'm going to size it down and move it up. Alright, so that you've got two pictures there. Alright, now Picture Tools Format, pick out a nice frame for them. Okay, that's better. Or I like it better. Alright, and did I make it square? Yes, I did. So that's good. Alright, let's do one more. Okay, so we're going to go to the internet. And this time we will go back 1 and 2 and search for cats. Okay, search for cats. Lee. Cats. Alright. And now pick out a nice cat that you like. Oh, I like this pretty face. Alright, so click once and right click, copy image. Alright, go back to Word and right click, go to Paste Options and choose the second one, Merge the Formatting. Now once again, make it square. Okay, grab a corner handle and size it down. Now drag it up so it's up in line with the other pictures. Okay, and I'm going to put it about here. So what did we say? We said click on the first one, hold down the Shift key, click on the second one, and click on the third one. Now, we want to go to Format, and the first thing, now we're going to look at these pictures, align their middles, okay, or align their bottoms maybe on this one. Yeah, I think align the bottoms look better. Alright, and then remember I say align, and we go to distribute horizontally. And did you see how I have extra space between them? And then what do? We go to group. And now we've got our pictures all grouped together and they look great. So that's how you copy a picture from the internet. That's the end of this one. We'll stop there.